I'm not coming on here the way I normally do because this feels different. Things feel chaotic right now, heavy, off. And I know I'm not the only one who's feeling it. So let me ask you something. Do you want chaos or do you want clarity? Do you want to keep going backwards or are you actually ready to move forward? You know, the reason I talk about God the way that I do, it's not about religion, but what it is about is relationship. Because when you have a real relationship with your Creator, you move different. There's a knowing, a sturdiness, a safety that doesn't come from what's happening around you. And that looks like something real. That looks like you learning how to shield yourself from all of this negativity every single day. That looks like taking time to cover yourself, to cover your family, to cover your life, not just in prayer, but in faith in what God has already said. But let me be honest with you. It takes more than just praying when something goes wrong. It takes a mind shift. It takes you choosing not to keep thinking and reacting the way that you always have. You cannot expect miracles if your mind doesn't even comprehend what is possible. This part here is overdue. And I'm not saying be perfect. What I am saying is be intentional. Be committed to growing one day at a time. Whether it's your faith, your peace, your belief, the fact that you're doing something matters. If I could give you one simple place to start, pray. Pray every single day. And if you don't know what to say, say the 23rd Psalm. That psalm helped me build my relationship with God. But don't just say it in your head. Say it out loud and say it with conviction. Because repetition builds belief Let me say that one more time. Because repetition builds belief, and belief turns into knowing, and belief turns into knowing. Do this every day, even multiple times a day. And then I ask you to come back and tell me what changed. Because at some point, you have to stop just listening and actually do something. This is your starting point.